welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you doing absolutely fine. In this video we will explore Agara Lake, Bengaluru. If you're new to this channel and if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribe. Please click on the bell icon to get all notifications from this channel. Agara Lake is a 98-acre natural lake located in Agara, Bengaluru. It is one of the most well-maintained lakes of Bengaluru. About 40 species of water birds like pelicans and reptiles such as rat snakes are found. Various events also take place here. It dates back to the 8th century. The lake is filled by the water of Madiwala Lake through the Raja Kaluve. Surplus water is drained to Bangalore Lake. Looking for a breath of fresh air and also fond of scenic beauty? Well, in that case, you can visit this lake in HSR Layout to watch sunsets and for outdoor exercises. Located in HSR Layout, Agara Lake is perfect not only for weekend outings but also if you are looking to change your fitness routine. The lake is nicely done with lush greenery surrounding, making it an ideal spot for a picnic with friends and family. The lake has a gorgeous, well-maintained garden where you can walk around or lounge about on the seats. There is also a space with exercise machines and yoga spots if you want to get your daily workout done. The well-laid-out jogging and cycling track around the lake is great for an evening run, a leisurely stroll with your friend or just a cycle ride. Perhaps you want to spend some quiet time with your loved ones. The lake is a perfect refuge from the mad rush of the city. While you are at it, relax on the benches by the side of the lake and don't miss the breathtaking sunset. If you love bird watching, bookmark this spot as it is home to migratory birds. Agara Lake is one of the rare natural lakes of Bengaluru. It is located on the outer ring road close to Koramangala and HSR Layout in Bengaluru. The lake is spread across an area of about 98 acres. The lake was once a picturesque spot where several species of migratory birds could be seen nesting and breeding. History of the Agara Lake in Bengaluru. The history of the lake can be tracked back to the 8th century. Evidence of the existence of the lake is found in historical documents related to the city of Bengaluru. Till a few decades ago, the lake was used for the purpose of irrigation and to provide drinking water to the people residing in Agara and the surrounding villages. A huge catchment area surrounds the lake. The rainwater from this catchment area keeps the lake brimming with water. The lake receives the water that overflows from Madiwala Lake through the Raja Kaluve. The excessive water of the Agara Lake overflows and reaches the Bangalore Lake.